Hey guys, welcome to Data Studios. If you guys don't want your kids to end up on creepy websites and you definitely don't want their faces stuck in these screens all day, need help to setting boundaries, then this tutorial is especially for you. So let's begin the video. First of all, you need to go for Play Store, and here you can see at the top right corner the menu option, and you need to tap that. Then here you can find the settings, and here you can see the option named family, and you need to tap that parental controls. For turning on the parental controls, you need to tap that, and here you can see that are asking for a pin. Make sure that it's a series of number that your children won't be able to guess easily, like your mobile number or date of birth. So don't forget that, and click onto that. Okay, and confirm again. Okay, and tap on the type of content you want to filter and set the content restricted, and click to that save option. As you can see, the parental controls are on, while your children will still use all the app in the Play Store. They could only download the ones you allowed. So that's it. Hope it will work. And before you go, smash the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends, and stay tuned till then. Bye.